Well, let's check in now with Market Journal weather analyst Bill Boyer. Bill, it's kind of overcast skies now, but about 70 degrees here in New Orleans. Those are not the temps we're seeing back in Nebraska. So share with us what we can expect in the week ahead.
Well, that's right, Bryce. We aren't going to see those temperatures. Although we have a warm-up coming to our region, you can certainly bring some of those home for us down in your area. The week ahead, really, for the most part, we're going to see some snow in some of the higher elevations and otherwise cold conditions in the northeast. But generally speaking, we're going to be dealing with a fairly quiet week of weather this week compared to what we were seeing. And honestly, our 8 to 14 day outlook also fairly quiet. We have much above normal temperatures forecast for a large portion of the country, including the eastern half of Nebraska next week, and colder than normal temperatures in the west with above average precip chances for us. So again, the active weather appears to be continuing, but hopefully it's a little warmer than what it has been. Well, let's take a look at the latest drought monitor, and as we zoom into Nebraska, you'll see we still have some exceptional drought areas. We made a pretty good dent in some of these areas, though. Still extreme drought conditions in a large portion of Nebraska. That area continues to shrink, though, as we have had some very beneficial moisture here over the last couple of weeks. And as we take a look at this week, we see another system get started off here in the Pacific, and the western system is going to move its area across here as we go Sunday. It jumps the divide into early next week, Monday into Tuesday. The system reemerges off to the south, and you'll notice this system right now, it looks like Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, clipping the southeastern portions of the state with some rain and snow. Continue to check back in through Wednesday as that system pulls away. And then as we go into the end of the week, the rest of the area stays pretty dry on into Friday. Another storm system looks like it should go to the south of us. So what does that mean for us? Well, temperature-wise, we're going to see a lot milder conditions here across Nebraska as we go today into tomorrow, and even into early next week. You'll see some of these mild temperatures building, a little cooler there behind that system on Wednesday and Thursday. And then we start to retreat, and by the end of the next week, pretty seasonal temperatures actually across most of the region. Precip going to be sparse in the sand hills, but again, could see some decent moisture, maybe over an inch of moisture in portions of southeast Nebraska. Again, you want to check back with your forecast. This is mainly that Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday time frame that we'd be dealing with that, and possibly some moderate accumulating snows as well. Again, still too early to pinpoint exactly where that's going to happen, Bryce, but all in all, a pretty active next few days coming for us with milder temps.